Hi collectors, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at the 1/43 scale diecast Porsche 911R 2016 by Minichamps. Spark also produced this model in resin, so let's see how this Minichamps version holds up. As a veteran manufacturer, Minichamps has a very mature grasp of the 911's proportions. This 911R has a graceful stance, especially the sloping roofline toward the rear, which feels much sleeker than some of their earlier models. While I wish the panel lines were a bit finer, the current standard is acceptable. Although the bonnet hood and the double bubble roof contours aren't as sharp as resin alternatives, it is more than qualified for a diecast model. The Rhodium Silver metallic paint has well-controlled flakes. Compared to GT Silver, it offers higher contrast and a cold industrial vibe under the lights. The black side stripes are crisp with no jagged edges. I'm quite satisfied with the finish. Moving on to details. The headlight internals are clear, the transparent part is decent, and there's no glue residue. The turn signals are clear parts as well. The black intakes on the front bumper aren't perforated, but the fitment is precise. However, if you're used to Spark's ultra-fine wipers, these still look a bit chunky. On the side, the classic center-lock wheels are well executed. You can clearly see the brake discs and yellow calipers, representing the PCCB system. The interior is average, no color separation, let alone the iconic houndstooth seats. At the rear, the grille is a separate piece, though the model name is a pad print rather than an etched part. Taillights and markers have great transparency. Taking it off the base, you'll find some basic chassis detail. Lastly, let's talk value. This specific 911R model is limited to 336 pieces. I picked it up for 8,800 Japanese yen, which is reasonable. Market prices for other colors on Japanese second-hand platforms aren't too crazy either, but the price of Spark's resin alternative seems quite close. Minichamps' diecast build is easier to preserve without worrying about warping. Among the many 911 variants, the 911R represents the purest driving experience: manual, naturally aspirated, and minimalist. It definitely stands out among the turbos and the GT3s. If you are after ultimate precision, Spark might be for you. But if you love the weighted feel and want a model that looks brand new 10 years from now on, you can't go wrong with Minichamps. Let me know your choice in the comments. Until our next encounter.